welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to export container movement report process in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the required FCL export in job or shipment. Now, the job page will be displayed on the screen. On this page, we have to click the Plan Container tab. Then we have to click the Add button. Now we have to select the required container type. And also we have to enter the number of container, container release number, release date, description details. Then we have to click the save button. Based on the container number, container details will be displayed in the actual container tab. Now we have to select the organization tab. Then we have to update the shipper and depot details. The depot and shipper details automatically updated in each container should be shown in the export container movement report. On this job page, we have to click the edit button. Here, we have to enter the vessel name and voyage number. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the Save Changes button. Now we have to click the references at the right side of the job page. Here we have to select the PO number as reference type and enter the reference number. Then we have to click the Save button. Now go to the Operation module. Here we have to select the Export Container Movement Report. On this page, we have to enter the job number and also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the Submit button. Earlier we have entered container number in details in job will be shown here. Now we have to click the activity button on the required line. Here we have to update the container number, ISO code, seal number, gross weight, container remarks, commodity description details. Then we have to click the save button. Now we have to click on the empty depot empty. Here we have to enter the depot empty pickup date. And also we have to select the shipper name. The pickup date, delivery date will show automatically. Then we have to click the save button. Now we have to click on the delivery location CU. Here we have to select the yard name. If we select the yard name, pickup date and delivery date will be shown. Then we have to click the save button. Now the container will be moved to terminal. Here we have to select the show terminal container as yes. Then we have to click the submit button. The moved terminal container shown here. In this report, we can see the container details based on pickup code also. Here we have to select the pickup code. Then we have to click the submit button. Now we can see the container details based on pickup code. This is how to export container movement report process in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.